Good morning. Happy New Year. I have an exciting live stream today planned for you guys. We are going to be drawing the winner of this giveaway on the screen here to celebrate the new year. 2024 is going to be the year of DeSCI, and I want to start it off right by giving away 2100 Gene. You guys got to pick the token, actually, which DeSCI coin we gave away, and if we hit certain metric here today, namely if 30 people join the live stream, concurrent viewers, not scattered viewers, then we will do a secondary giveaway specifically just for you guys. So let's go. Thank you, MK, for being here. Vivian, I'm happy to see you here. What's good? Oh, man. Lincoln, happy New Year, Johnny. Waiting for you, boss. Let's go. So we're going to go through. We're going to do the giveaway for DeSCI. We're going to talk a little bit about recent DeSCI funding that's coming. Then we're going to talk about the portfolio challenge because it is making all-time highs. And last but not least, we're going to take our liquidity out of these markets. Let's go, guys. Bitcoin is chilling right under $46,000, which is absolutely insane. It's starting the new year off very strong. Immediately had an entire breakup. Yearly highs, guys. These are yearly highs. We finished last year pretty much at the high, and then we continued on to make it even higher. Let's see. What is it up today? Or not just today, but this new year. Already in just 2 days, Bitcoin is up over 8%. So in 2 days, it did what the stock market does on average in an entire year. And people want to sleep on this. People don't want to actually pay attention to crypto. It blows my mind. And it's even more crazy to me because DeSCI is going to drastically outperform Bitcoin. DeSCI is going to make Bitcoin look like it's not even moving. When you get one of those charts, you put the log chart next to the log chart of the two of them, not just regular charts, I'm talking log charts. You take any DeSCI coin, put it over Bitcoin, you won't even see the movement of Bitcoin. That's what my prediction is going into the next year. Hello from Australia. What's good at 9011? Soccer Australia. Welcome. Welcome, Dream. Welcome. Happy to see all you guys in here. Should we do the giveaway first? Should we get straight into that giveaway? Or should we break down some Bitcoin charts and look to see if there's any good trade setups? I'm curious for you guys. Austria. Oh, I said Australia. My bad. That's my brother. Let's go. My brain just automatically filled in that one extra letter, which makes a huge difference. Huge difference. So Bitcoin's been above the VWAP all day this morning. Ethereum has been closer to a perfect setup for what we enjoy. My throat. Yes, hello Vivian, hello. Better for you to make us wait. Don't wanna though. We'll go through this and then we'll look. We'll go through this and then we'll look. My throat is not having fun. My cats are being little assholes this morning. Floop decided to literally jump on my chest this morning at like 6 a.m. and like use my nipple as a launching pad. And that was the worst way I could have possibly woken up. It was excruciatingly painful. Like not just my pec, my like explicitly my nipple. It was actually pretty awful. And then we have downstairs neighbors and he's just fucking launching off the bed and stomping down because he's uncoordinated kitten. He was loud. So Ethereum looks like it's got a better trade setup for what we look for. Again, if you guys are new here, I use the VWAP here. So the VWAP is a volume weighted average price. It's basically a moving average, but it takes into account volume because not every candle should be weighted equally within a moving average, right? And so this blue line here is the middle VWAP, and I look for something to either stay above or stay below that middle VWAP all day because then it's got a clear trend. And I look to trade with the trends, right? So for example, Ethereum has been bouncing above the VWAP all day. Therefore, I look for an entry price at the VWAP. If you had bought right here when it came to test the VWAP, you could have had a nice little trade. You wouldn't have gotten stopped out, right? So we use that as a tool in our trading strategy. Let me zoom in a little bit and show you guys even better what I mean. We had a pullback, down to the VWAP. Had you purchased here and longed, you would have been in it for this spike upwards. Where you take profits is up to you. I have a very strict rule that I like to follow, that is taking profits at a 1% gain. I know that sounds boring and just like not exciting for crypto, but then you use the leverage to make it larger, right? So right now, we're looking at Ethereum. It's kind of bouncing off the VWAP. So it looks like it could be a decent trade setup if we wanted to, but let's keep going and look at some other altcoins. You can see ADA here. While ADA is in a clear trend, a clear pattern, it's not something that I would trade right now because it's not fitting my specific rules, my rule set. 2024 is going to be all about following the rules. Look for setups just in case one is ready. Exactly. What's good, Goku? Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Love that ETH's going back up. I know, ETH's doing good. 2,400, Ethereum's starting to become alive again. Then we got Matic. Matic is not something that I would trade right now. It does not have a good setup. Solana kind of has a good setup. It looks like it's starting to get a little bit weaker, right? So while it is above the VWAP, you have to look at this and see that it's kind of starting to slow down a little bit. RSI is right in the middle, and it's continuously hitting that bottom view, the middle VWAP. So it could be a good reversal, but I'd be a little bit more cautious with Solana. What's good? What's good, Humbled? HBAR looks perfect. HBAR is actually a pretty good setup right now. The RSI is a little bit too overextended, but it's not a bad trade setup at all. XRP, no. Aptos. Aptos is nice. Aptos is chunky. I like that volatility. BNB, I could see an argument being made. Aave, no. Quant, no. CRISPR, AVAX, Link. If you guys see any other coins out there that are not on this list, feel free to shout them out. ADA does not hit my specific target for what I'm looking for in a trade. So while it is range bound, right, and you can kind of see a clear trend here, it doesn't fit exactly what I'm looking for, and so I'm gonna have to sit the sidelines for that thing. I would like to just trade Ethereum. I would like to see Ethereum have a little bit more of a pullback, do something like this, where we come down, bounce off the VWAP here, and then start coming back up again and break this. Right? That's what I would like to see. And so I'm going to keep this to the side, and you guys pay attention as well. All right? You guys pay attention as well. Call something out because we're going to do the giveaway. We're going to do the giveaway here. I hope everyone is excited. I hope everyone brought their friends to the live stream, because if we hit 30 members, 30 people, not members, 30 people on this live stream, I will do a secondary giveaway just for the people who are here with me. We got INSP. Let's just check it out. Let's check it out. I look for things that are fairly liquid. So inspect. Oh, that's beautiful. That is a perfect trade setup for what I look for. That was round of applause for Coin Cheeky. Round of applause, round of applause. That is a very good trade setup. I don't know that it's liquid enough, but it's got those percent gains. It's bouncing off the VWAP. This is something that I could see taking a trade on. As far as a larger time scale, it's brand new. It's brand new. What does inspect do? Let's go. It looks like it's starting to rebound, right? You can kind of see how it had that initial spike on launch and then pulled back. Hopefully this is the correct chart, and then started to rebound, and you can see how it's beginning to kind of like scoop. So that's something we could pay close attention to, even for a swing trade. A day trade looks even better. You just gotta be careful as hell. Look at that. Oh my God, Patrick. Look at that volatility. We just had a single candle come straight down. So that would have wicked me out had I jumped right in. But it works on X, utility for X. Ooh, an L2 on top of X. That's actually very fascinating. RSI is even at a good spot. I would pay close attention to that. We're going to do the giveaway, and then we're going to look for liquidity and everything in the markets. And I actually have like charts that we can look for liquidity. I moved the camera, so I went to go look up there, but it's not there. First off, let's see how many people are chilling with us. We got 13 concurrent viewers. Let's go. If we double that up, if we get close to that 30 threshold, and I'll be kind of lenient with it, but we at least have to cross over the 20 people because that's the peak that we've ever had. So if we can cross over that 20, I'll be here for an excited time and we will do a secondary giveaway. But for now, tomorrow, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard, I am going live in our regularly scheduled stream over on YouTube. We'll be pulling the winner of the 2100 gene giveaway. Let's go, guys. Let's go. This is very exciting. You know what's crazy to me? Like, I'm giving away 2100 gene, right? Which, currently speaking, is... well, they're at 2.5 cents each. So 2100 times 0.025 is $52. All right, so I'm giving away 50 bucks. I really do think that that Genome's DAO from here could 100x. I really do think so. We're sitting at a $3 million market cap. I think Genome's DAO could hit a $300 million market cap, which means that really I'm giving away closer to 5 grand, which is a little bit, makes my stomach turn a little bit. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Hit the like button, everyone. Let's go. What likes were we at? We're at 8, 9. Let's go. Let's go. Keep running them. Keep running them. That's so much money. It really is. I gave away a lot of ICP as well earlier this year, or I guess it's 2024 now, but like 4 or 5 months ago, I gave away a lot of ICP. So as that thing runs up to like $100, $150, I probably gave away like 50 ICP, which is crazy. Let's go, Dream. Thank you for tweeting it out. All right. Let us copy the link. Go to Twitter Picker. We'll load up this tweet. Winner count, we have, I'm going to do, well, I'll just keep it at 1. Must be following this _ investor. Should I make it so people have a picture or no? I gotta put some threshold there because I saw a lot of bots entering actually, and I don't want bots. So I think we might keep it as a picture, but I don't think that it's requirement to have tweets. If you tweeted at all. You don't even need to have tweeted in the past. Well, I guess you gotta tweet in the past month. I created a YouTube post and X post. Let's go, Dream. Let's go. I hope everyone's excited because we really, truthfully, have a lot coming this year. A lot coming, especially if you guys like decentralized science at all. I know that the people who are here with our regularly scheduled live streams love DeSCI. I don't know that everyone knows about DeSCI yet. Likely if you retweeted this and are here for this live stream, you do. But if you don't, my entire page, my entire channel is being dedicated to decentralized science. I want everyone to know what this is and the impact it's going to have and how much money we could be getting if everything goes appropriately for us. So I want everyone to be fully aware of what DeSCI is, and truthfully, I think that I have the skill set that is required to express this to everyone in an appropriate manner. I have years of investing history and I have years of science history. I literally worked in a lab out of Boston. I have a degree in science. I think that my two worlds here are meshing quite well, and so I'm using my skill set to express it to everyone. There is nobody talking about decentralized science, not at the capacity at which I am, and so I will be probably the biggest page, the biggest creator for all of DeSCI. You guys are getting in at the ground floor. I know that sounds a little conceited, but I'm so dead ass with this. We're gonna make absolute waves in the crypto market, just like the metaverse went crazy last cycle and we saw a bunch of niche creators in the metaverse blow up. I'm telling you right now, DeSCI is going to put the metaverse to shame because there's actual real money flowing into here. It's not all speculation. It is going to be driven a lot by speculation because that's just how crypto is. But this is, I already know and have spoken to people who are working directly with Pfizer to help progress this even further. Pfizer is getting involved, other pharmaceuticals are getting involved, not pharmaceuticals, pharma companies. which is like a little bit sketchy, but at least everything is open source here and we can all see what they're doing. They can't do things behind closed doors as much. LFG DeSCI, let's go. DeSCI is still unknown. We are way early. Coin Cheeky, we are extremely early to this. The biggest DeSCI projects in the entire space are sitting at like $30 million market caps. Namely, VitaDAO and Research Coin are some of the biggest. Even if you look at VXV, which is more encompassing, it's more than just DeSCI. VXV is still only at a $30 million market cap. So I really don't think the rest of crypto is ready for what's about to come with this. And so I am excited to get growing with this. I'm excited to keep pushing. Is there a sale price when launch? How do you get into Block Solutions? Block Solutions is not going to have any coin. Block Solutions is purely an analytical tool so that you guys can learn to navigate these markets, right? Like I just said, Pfizer is getting involved in the market. Pfizer is buying into things like VitaDAO. We already know that. That's already, like, I'm not spilling the beans with anything right there. Pfizer has put money into VitaDAO. What Pfizer does is kind of like sketchy in regards of how do we keep track of what they're doing. Block Solutions enables you to keep track of Pfizer and even put on notifications if you want to. Block Solutions makes it so that, see how many wallets I have up here? I got Plug, I got Nami, I got Phantom, I got MetaMask. I think I even have more. This is an HBAR wallet. Block Solutions is going to make it so that you can combine all of these in one spot and watch your entire portfolio. Just like I've been doing here on this. Except I've been doing this manually, 100% manually. Block Solutions will just track all of the transactions you make and put them and aggregate them together for your portfolio. So keep an eye on it. blocksolutions.app. This is early adopter. If you want to become an early adopter, put your email here. I think we're rounding in on 2,000 people who have put their email in here to become an early adopter of blocks. No coin, but we likely will have some NFT projects coming just so that everyone can have like the yearly memberships, token access and stuff like that. Now, let's do this giveaway. Let's do this giveaway. How many likes have we hit? We're at 11 likes and we're at 16 concurrent. Remember, if we get this to 30, I will do a secondary giveaway just for the people who are here with us today. But for now, let's go ahead and continue onwards. We got 101 replies, which is kind of crazy. Look at this. I know some of you guys noticed your names here. That investor. Yo, chill. Bro, you don't get to be in here. How do I remove this guy? View entry. I'm gonna undo my repost. I don't want to be in that. Let's go back. Ah, that would have been funny. That would have been hysterical had I won, though. That would have been very funny. Come on. I don't know that I'll be able to. Just triple the win if you win. Yeah, we're going to keep it then. We're going to keep it. Continue. I don't want to have to restart putting all that stuff in. So we got 102 entries, which is wild, guys. Wild. Congrats. Congrats to everyone. Is everyone ready? Is everyone excited for this? I'm excited for this. 2100 Gene, $50, split between 3 people. Whoever you tagged in the tweet, whoever you put in the comments underneath the giveaway is also going to get some Gene. So hopefully they give you some props. They take you out to dinner or something. I gotta put music or something like that. Begin drawing. Ooh, let's go. All right, I thought that it would bring us to another page, but let's go. NellGYS452. Congratulations. Congratulations. This person just won the giveaway. Hopefully, they're excited. Hopefully, they know what's coming with DeSCI. They will after this. If they hold on to it, if they are able to hold on to their Gene, I think that they just won thousands of dollars. Truthfully, I know it's a little ambitious, I understand that, but I really believe that this 2100 Gene is going to be worth thousands of dollars. in the not too distant future. So hopefully these people, hopefully everyone is holding on to their coins and understands what is coming. This is not financial advice. Do whatever you want with your coins, with your tokens. I'm holding on to mine, and I hope he holds on to his. MK, I am undefeated in giveaways this year. Damn, I've been defeated. Oh God, you're not wrong. Where's Vivian? Vivian, I think, has entered every single one of these giveaways that I've done, and I don't think she's won a single one. I did, like, I gave her some because I've seen her supporting it constantly. So on the last giveaway I did, I think I made an extra entry for her, but oh man, Vivian, thank you. If you're still here, I appreciate your support. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys haven't dipped yet, because there's still a giveaway for you guys if we keep these viewers up a little bit. I see people are running for the hills. You hate to see it. You are the best. Let's go, Jude. You too, Jude. Jude has won so many of them. Rob, Can Lake, 50x from here. Let's go look. Let's go look. Let's get the coin chart coming up here. Lake is, I feel like this is not, oh, this is wrapped by Ethereum. Whoops. Okay, so this is Data Lake. Data Lake's sitting at a $7.5 million market cap. So you are asking me, can it go to a $370 million market cap? I think that it is possible for it to get up there. I think it could 50x from here. I think we need to see DeSCI have a massive, massive rip. It needs to become a huge narrative, and I think that Data Lake could. Data Lake is one of the mainstream ones that people are actually paying attention to. So could it 50x from here? I think it probably will, yeah. I do think it will, because I think that all those things are going to play out. You just have to know the risks associated with it. Data Lake is something that we actually started talking about back here. So it's done about a 10x from when we started. Knowledge is better than the reward. Let's go, Cheeky. Those who leave will miss out, for sure. For sure. But that's all right. People are busy. It's 9 a.m., so I don't expect everyone to be here wide awake like I am. Let's go, Jude. Thank you. Yeah, so we've already done a 10x on our lake. So could it do another 50x and give us a 500x total returns? I think it could. It's just very, very, you got to be realistic with it. I think that there will be several DeSCI projects that hit $1 billion market cap. Most people in this market right now, most people in crypto have PTSD from the bear market, right? We're seeing Bitcoin sit here at an $800 billion market cap, a $900 billion market cap. A lot of people's price predictions on Bitcoin are like, oh, it's going to go to 70,000. It might go to 80,000. And I think that people have extremely low price targets right now because they're so used to the bear market we've been in. You have to remember that this is crypto. All right. We're about to get literal spot ETFs with tens, if not hundreds of billions of dollars that is sitting on the sidelines flowing in to buy up some of these assets. All right, over the next 1 to 2 years, we're going to see tens, if not hundreds of billions of dollars flowing into it. And you remember the dynamic, we go over it all the time, the dynamic between market cap and buy orders is not 1-to-1, meaning if $100 billion flowed into Bitcoin right now, that's not going to take it to $1 trillion market cap, right? Because it's at 900 billion. If you add 100 billion of buy orders, that's a $1 trillion market cap. That's not at all how it works. If right now a $100 billion buy order came onto the market right now, Bitcoin is going to $100,000 instantly. Because they're going to buy up all of the liquidity in all exchanges. There just won't be enough Bitcoin to go around. If somebody came in with a $100 billion buy order right now, that would send it straight up to 100K. I think maybe even higher, to be completely honest. On some exchanges, it would probably go up a gross amount. So you can look at the volume on each day and see that it's literally only 35 billion for the entire day. So if you tripled that, in one order. So it's a matter of how quickly the money comes in from these spot ETFs. And I think it's coming in over the next 1 to 2 years. I think that we'll see Bitcoin probably do close to like a 4x from here. I think we'll see Bitcoin do about a 4x. And I think that spaces like DeSCI, you'll see a lot of these coins do 100x. Nella tagged 3 people. None. They're gonna have to battle each other over this. It's also interesting because Nella's entire account is literally just farming giveaways. You know? So it's like, is this even a real person? Look at this. Literally their entire account is just farming giveaways. I think it's crazy that... How did you see that they did 3 people? I guess it's not going to be on that. It's going to be back. Could you send it to me? Let's fucking go, DeSCI. Grow or Athena, which one are you more bullish on? I am more bullish on Grow. No offense to the team over at Athena. I think they'll do wonderful as well. I think that the narrative with Athena is a little bit more difficult because it's crypto, which women are not usually in, and it's science, which women are not usually in. Combining them together to fund women's health and research among that. I think it's going to be a great tool to use, and I think the longevity of it is spectacular. I just don't know that it will have the same hype cycle momentum. Do you know what I mean? N-E-L-L. I don't even see them. Nella. Oh, and they're in the hidden comments. None. The hidden comments, just for a frame of reference for everyone, when you have to hit that button to see hidden comments, those are people in which X has decided are risky people to engage with. So if you find yourself in that hidden comment section, that means you have been shadow banned. Often you will find the bots in there as well, but it does not 100% mean that the people in there are bots. It just means that they've done stuff that raises yellow flags for the algorithm, you know? I want to get some DeSCI, but waiting for a pullback. Muhammad. Muhammad. You have to understand. We just had major pullbacks. Look at Data Lake. Look at that. It went from 2 cents all the way down to 1.1 cents. That is a 40% plus correction. Let's see some others. We got Research Coin. I just bought Research Coin in this portfolio. Literally just got it. Why is it doing that? Research Coin just went from 73 cents down to a low of 30 cents. That is, again, a 40 to 50% correction. So DeSCI just went through a very large correction. Could it continue to correct more? Yes, but look at these charts. They're building out support. Research Coin building out support around 35 cents. Data Lake building out support around 1.5 cents, a little bit under. We got Gene building out support around 2 cents and then starting to rally. So we just did have a pullback. You could wait for a larger scale pullback, or you could miss out on the rally that's to come. Ultimately, buying Gene at a $3 million market cap, when I think this thing's probably going to go to a multi-hundred billion dollar market cap, doesn't matter, you know? Doesn't matter if you buy it at 3 or you buy it at 2. If it ends up going to a $100 million market cap, it literally is irrelevant. In my eyes. In my eyes. My DeSCI play is Research Coin. I think Research Coin is going to be extremely easy play I think it'll be a wildly easy play for people. If you want to keep up to date on what some of the DAOs are doing in DeSCI, come over to Molecule. There's also talk on the street that Molecule itself is going to drop a coin, so keep an eye on for that. But if you want to see some of the research that's getting funded in DeSCI and see who's doing it, come over to Molecule. You'll see Athena DAO. They just funded 2 recent studies. Then we got Hair DAO. Ooh. We got Valley DAO, Vita 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 DAO. You see why I'm kind of bullish on Vita DAO? Is there a winner already? There is a winner. I think I'm going to pull a secondary person. There is a winner, and it's this person, Nella. I'm going to pull a secondary one just in case Nella ends up not responding or being a bot, you know? Thoughts on Cryo? I like Cryo. So, Lofdrick. I feel like Lofdrick also sounds like a bot name. That's the problem with giveaways. Why they always... People game the shit out of these things. There they are. Nope, that's Timmy. I don't see Lofdrick. If Nella doesn't win, it'll go to Lofdrick. Am I grabbing more Cryo before the 10th? So Cryo is a new DeSCI coin that has yet to launch. Shout out all of you guys. We got more likes than viewers. That's crazy. Cryo is a coin that has yet to launch, but is in the world of DeSCI, and I think will do wonderful as far as price action. I think it's going to pump like absolutely crazy as soon as it launches. And so I have accumulated a good amount in the pre-sale allocation. I have a YouTube video on it. If you want to go watch that YouTube video, feel free to go do it. It kind of gives you an outline of the information and then walks you through how to actually contribute into the pre-sale. I am good with how much I have. I'm just chilling on that. I'm good with how much I have. I'm just chilling. I'm probably not going to accumulate any more because I already went in a lot heavier than I expected to because I'm seeing how much it's being memed. All right, just being completely honest with you guys, seeing Lucas, Blockchain Boy, kind of meme the shit out of it. His entire community, I think, is going to drive the price up immediately after launch. I think it's going to go pretty crazy. And so I put in about twice as much as I wanted to put in because of that reason, and then because I'm going to sell half pretty much immediately. As soon as it starts going like crazy, I'm going to sell half. Good luck, guys. Crypto Dream, let's go. Heard Derrico and Johnny win. Oh, man. I should do a private giveaway just in the Discord. I should do very, very private. Adam Sawyer just retweeted. Banana. Exactly. Yeah, this is what I mean. He's memeing the shit out of it, which is fine. Cryonana. His community went heavy. This is Blockchain Boy. His community went heavy into the pre-sale of Cryo DAO, and they're doing cryogenic research. And because it's a DAO, if anyone can propose research that can get voted on for funding, and his community bought up a ton of the coin, so it's likely that he will be able to do like a 51% hack essentially on Cryo DAO and get funding to do cryogenic research, which he's just going to put a banana in the freezer. Which I think is hysterical, and I think it'll be a good learning opportunity for everyone to see the entire process of voting on the DAO governance and proposing something into the DAO and actually seeing how the funding goes and how quickly. I think it's going to be actually a good little project that he does, even though he's trying to be a meme with it. It's just like he's going to drain $50,000 out of the treasury, which his community is funding. So like, I missed the post over the holiday. Oh man, Sawyer, I'm sorry, man. It's because I just got the notification. I'm sorry. Maybe we'll do another one here. Maybe we'll do another one. Cryo is on which network? Ethereum. It is on Ethereum. Let's go see. We can actually come see the videos. I got Cryo DAO right here. You got 11 likes on it. Shout out all 11 of you. Dream. If you guys aren't subscribed to Dream, I don't know what you're doing. Let's go to the juice box. This is where they are funding the research. I mean, they're not really funding research, but this is where we're funding the project, if it's even going to load. Let me close out some of my RAM taxing softwares. I almost closed out of Streamlabs. That would have been funny. I literally freeze bananas for my daughter's oatmeal. It's not that exciting. But can you rethaw that banana? Can you rethaw that banana and then consume it? And does it have the same nutrient profile? Is this... Are they glitched out? There we go. So there's been 400 payments into CryoDAO. And it's kind of been slowing down a little bit, which is good because the lower of a market cap this launches at, the higher potential returns, and the more people that fund it, the higher the market cap is. So right now it's at $806,000 market cap, so it's sub $1 million. It's not really, that's not its market cap per se, but that is the total volume. Right, it's been funded 336 ETH, and you can actually go look and see all of these. Banana in freezer. So one person paid 1 Ethereum towards the contribution of freezing a banana. If this goes parabolic, I want to personally thank Lucas. Love you, brother. This is hysterical. That's his community coming in here. All the best. Hal Finney. Good luck. BCB is the top G. Why are you not in blocks? So they're trolling the shit out of the community. That's funny. That's actually hysterical. Good morning, Mike. Good morning. Let's see. We're still chilling at 14 people. All right, if we hit 20, what did we peak out at? We peaked out at 16. I want to do the giveaway. All right, this was supposed to be like bait to get everyone in here, but if we find 6 more people to come join the live stream, I'll do a secondary giveaway where I give away a little bit more Gene because I want you guys to feel special here. Oh, my neck. Yeah. Portfolio challenge, baby. Portfolio challenge. We're almost at $1,900, which is kind of crazy. And then Saucer Swap has been the thing that's driving a lot of the price action. Today and yesterday, Sauce went absolutely parabolic. Do you guys think we should take profits? I'm also tempted to ask your portfolios. Maybe we do a little take a page out of AJ Wright's Cryptos book and we go over your portfolios. But it's still, it looks like it's starting to calm down, so today could be a decent opportunity to take profits on Sauce. I think I'm going to do that, actually. I think I'll take some profits off of the table when it comes to Sauce, because right now we have not taken any profits and we're sitting up $163. I made bank on Sauce. Let's go, Johnny. Let's go. We've contributed, what is that, $25? We've contributed 25, so if I take 50 bucks out of it, I'll have literally doubled my contribution and still have $150 in the play, you know? So first tranche of profits, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Let's sell. We're gonna sell $50 worth. Oh, I have to figure out the math. We're gonna sell 650 of them. That'll bring us to, well, all right, you're right. You guys are totally right. We're gonna sell 690 of them because that'll bring us to 2,000 sauce. So that will give us $53 in profits. Add transaction. This is what I've had to do every time, which is why I'm bullish on blocks. Shit, I forgot how much it was. What was it, $53? Here we go. The portfolio has now taken the first round of profits on Saucer Swap. We have made Where all of this is now house money. This is the strategy we've been using with every one of these trades. Caspa, all house money. Hello Labs, all house money. Saucer Swap now, all house money. Let's go, guys. The portfolio keeps growing. Me too, I took some off the table, as you know. Yes, indeed. It's because I sold sauce 2 weeks ago to buy more cryo. Oh, Derek. I don't believe I'm not going to win. I'm sorry, man. Lincoln, we already drew the winner. I'm sorry. Next time. We'll continue to do more giveaways. Low-key, not even low-key. My plan, we're going to go over my plan actually in a minute. My plan for 2024. Because we got some exciting things. I'm glad we didn't enter into the Ethereum trade. I was watching it. I have been watching it. Let's see the liquidity though. It's gonna make us watch an ad.
I am Anatoly Yakovenko, the CEO of Solana.
Yes.
Today marks a historic day for us at Solana and for every Sol holder around the globe.
This is literally a scam, guys.
These remarkable milestones, and to show our gratitude to the SOL community for your unwavering support.
The SOL community.
We are excited to announce the Solana's giveaway. Here's how you can enter the giveaway.
This is actually a scam. How wild is that? I can't believe we just caught this on YouTube. How wild is it that YouTube is allowing ads to play with deep fake scammers? This is literally a deep fake of the CEO of Solana Labs. What the hell? What the actual hell? Yeah, it looks super fake, but if people go in, if people who have no idea what's going on just see that, they're like, oh, let me scan this QR code. Bam, instantly drained. Instantly drained. Do not scan that. Do not engage with that. The fact that I'm paying any attention to it right now is telling the algorithm to continue to show this ad to more and more people. So I should probably skip it, but we've all seen that Ripple Labs one, yeah? I can't believe they're doing another one with Solana. That means it's working. That means it's working aggressively. I want to see... I want to see the wallet associated with it to see how many people have been scammed. Because the old YouTube scammers, you could go see the wallet exactly, right? And you could see exactly how many people had fallen victim to that scam. I'm pissed. That pissed me off. That fucking makes me angry. I can't believe YouTube literally doesn't fucking vet the ads that they post on their platform. Are you shitting me? How are you going to let an actual scammer run an ad on your platform? There are a lot of scams out there, and at some level you need the platforms that host these scammers to have some level of responsibility. And right now they don't have any. Right now there's a lawsuit on influencers who promoted FTX, even though FTX was literally defrauding everyone, but there's no lawsuit on YouTube for literally promoting scams. The liquidity for Bitcoin is all below its current price, so I feel like it could end up topping out in reverse, but I'm not going to short anything in crypto right now because that's a stupid ass move. There's been no reason to short crypto, and as I say that, it's continuing to rally. So if anything, you just blindly go long when things are down close to the bottom of the VWAP. Look at that. This is why I don't trade this trend either. ADA just had a huge sell-off. Matic, huge sell-off. Solana continued its trend, broke below the VWAP. So while it was bouncing off the top VWAP like we identified in the beginning of the live stream, it did not hold that as support. HBAR looks like it could be holding it as support. XRP is not looking good. Aptos is a good setup. Aptos is a good setup. This is the trade to take. We got 1.5% here. I would... I don't know. I think that was already the retracement. These two red candles in a row. I think that was the retracement. This is a good trade to enter in my opinion. We got the stop loss down here at 0.67% loss. And then we got potential gains all the way at the top here of 1.25. So you're risking 1 to make 2. There you go. I'm not in it. I still haven't funded my other account yet. MK sent me here. Let's go, Bengal. Let's go. Shout out MK. Shout out MK. That's the trade that I would take if I had my trading account still funded, but because I'm actually an idiot, I liquidated myself while effectively just trading drunk. It's giving a better entry. Let's see, because it kind of depends on if Bitcoin holds support and continues up. This trade entirely, like the entire market right now, is derived from the price of Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin continues to hold the support that it's got kind of established here and continues trucking along up higher and higher and higher, then it will be a successful trade. If not, then it won't. On the longer term, Bitcoin's got a lot of liquidity right here, just above 46,000, and then a little bit is opening up above 50,000. So I kind of do expect either today or tomorrow to see us rally up above 50 or 46,000. I think we'll come close to that $47,000 area for Bitcoin before actually getting a big retracement or any kind of like leveling out on price action. That's just me. I've done a lot worse. Wah, wah, wah. All right. So, as far as my plans coming into 2024, obviously I'm going to continue to keep track of the bag holder to homeowner portfolio challenge. We're at 1873, which is amazing because we started it at $500, which means that the challenge has been going crazy. We need the entire portfolio to do a 100x if I am to hit my goal of buying a house with it, which that is the goal, bag holder to homeowner. It's already done more than a 3x, which means that we only need about a 28x left, I think, in order to hit that, which I know sounds like an aggressive amount of profits to be happening, and it is. 50,000 divided by 1873. We need a 26.7x in order to hit the target, which I think is a lot, but we are going to hit it. We're going to crush it, actually. I think we could even outperform 50,000. It'll be 50,000 after taxes when I sell, lol. We're doing well. I'm not worried about that, but I'm going to continue to document that in the Discord and on these live streams. The Discord's going to get a lot more early access to the trades that happen, so make sure you guys are in the Discord. I'm also religiously going to be doing my Wednesday classrooms. I think I'm going to implement also some sort of a weekend or live stream where we can chat and be more lax about things. Because I need to get my watch hours up on YouTube, right? So I need to get my watch hours up on YouTube. I need to just continue to expand and provide value as well. And as a function of providing value, I should continue to get the watch time. So by providing value, I will be doing more live streams with you guys. I have, on top of that, a litany of live streams. Well, they're not going to be live streams. They'll just be video interviews coming up of different DeSCI projects. So if you guys know, like HairDAO just reached out to me. They want one. They want to get on. I think I'm going to reach out to Genomes DAO and get them on because I've been in their spaces a lot. Data Lake I want to get on, but I don't have them on yet. Let's see. Who else? Valley DAO, we already had one here. Athena DAO, I have one lined up as well. AXGT, I have one lined up for. I don't have one for Cryo DAO, but that one can come very soon. I have some for smaller new coins that have yet to actually launch. One that's built on top of ICP. So I have to get all of that squared away, and I will probably be doing those over all of November. Yes, Axon. Indeed. You said question mark. They did a round of pre-sales as well. So it's early. Axon Dow. They did something similar to Cryo Dow. That's not a good freeze frame. At no point in this video. They did something similar to Cryo Dow, just in a little bit of a more hectic manner. So got a lot of things coming. I'm very excited for it. As far as the Discord. Oh, sorry. Stopped out of that trade. Good thing I didn't enter it. RIP. My face. Record. There we go. As far as the Discord goes, I want to continue to expand outwards with that. I'm enjoying the community that we're building. I'm going to be creating merchandise that I think I'll give out and have for sale as incentive for everyone to feel like they've joined in on the community of those investors. So I kind of tried it earlier with the PS crypto, but I'm rolling that back, and I'm going to be just doing that investor and those investors merchandise. And that will be coming in the near future. All of my attention has been focused on blocks and making sure that blocks becomes a success. And so it's kind of been draining. My hair is a little bit... It's kind of been draining, but that's going to continue to come. Blocks is hitting a somewhat of a self-sustainable point in the next couple weeks, and so I can revert my attention back on providing value in the Discord and everything. On top of that, at some point in 2024, I'm just giving you guys a heads up, I'm going to put a paywall on the Discord. Once I've established that there is a level of free content out there, and that it's a consistent doing the classrooms and providing the articles and giving out the value in the Discord, there will be a paywall that goes up in it. Obviously, because you guys have been here since day one, since we were begging people for 30 viewers on the live stream, you guys aren't going to be paying the full price, but there will be a paywall. We got 17 users. That's close to the 20. I'm going to do a poll with the remaining people here. There's 10 concurrent viewers. Oh, wait. I got to put back to desktop. If you guys want to see other things, right? Like maybe we go live and do portfolio breakdowns. A lot of people do that. Maybe we go live and you guys toss out coins and we do like quick analysis of the coins and do that more consistently. These live streams, while I enjoy them, I think I need to give them each themes, where one of them each week is going over the bag holder portfolio. One of them each week is going over your guys' portfolios. One of them each week is rapid fire ranking different cryptocurrencies, you know? And then one is Fitness Friday and one is a giveaway, something like that. Because I enjoy the spontaneity of these live streams, but I think for the progression of those investors, it makes the most sense to give a little bit of structure to them. What was I gonna go do? Oh yeah, I was going to engage with the audience. Start a poll. No, never mind. Never mind. You guys can hold off on that. I vetoed it. Yeah. It definitely... The thing is, I feel like everyone does news. And while news is like the easiest to build out a little thing for, it's also super, one, annoying, and two, very difficult to do in the world of DeSCI. Because just being frank, there's not often news in DeSCI. So I feel like doing a weekly wrap-up. Thank you, Patrick, for saying that out loud. I think it's life.io DeSCI monthly wrap-up. Doing like a weekly wrap-up could make sense. But trying to cover news every single day just doesn't make any sense for me. Where'd they go? I'll find them later. I'm going to do a video on them probably a little bit later today. But I appreciate all of you guys for being here with us. The trade did not go well. Bitcoin definitely broke a little bit. Yep. So be it. It is what it is. I'm still not going to bet against Bitcoin. Most of the liquidity is below us, but Bitcoin has just been continuing to go crazy. Skip on doing news. Yeah, I know. I just don't think that the news is fun. It's so lazy to do and not separate you from the others. Exactly, Coin Cheeky. Exactly. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this live stream. Shout out to the winner of the giveaway. I'm going to go reach out to them and hopefully they are a real person and not just a bot. Your time's your most valuable asset. Hopefully this was worth investing it into. I am excited for 2024 and I hope that you guys have your bags packed. Oh, let's get it. I'll see you guys in the next video.